find the remainder when cubic of x minus 5x minus 7 is divided by x plus 1. So this question is simple. All you have to do is to divide this equation by x plus 1. This equation is called cubic equation. Okay, why cubic equation? Because this x has highest power of 3. Okay, and for your own information, cubic equation is in this form. So here x has the highest power of 3, then you come to power 2. Okay, then the x has power 1. So since the highest power of x here is 3, that's why it is called cubic equation. But in this case, it is quite different. Of course, it is the cubic equation. After cubic of x, then next is the power of x is 1. That means we are remaining with x to the power 2. So the question is x to the power 3 minus 5x minus 7. So how can we put x to the power 2? That means the coefficient of that x to the power 2 was 0. So that means the equation was in this form. If you multiply this coefficient in this x, okay, 0 multiplied by x, that means it is 0. Okay, and this one disappears. That means you remain with the cubic of x minus 5x minus 7. So this equation is the same as this equation. That means we are going to use this equation to divide with this by x plus 1. Yeah, so that means I can now go to division. X plus 1. So you write this equation. Since this equation is the same as this one, x to the power 3 plus 0x to the power 2 minus 5x minus 7. So x plus 1 into this one, that means it is x what? Squared. X squared multiplied by this, it is this, and x to the power 2 multiplied by this, it is x to the power 3. You subtract 0x squared minus 1x squared, you're going to remain with what? Minus, okay, minus x squared, and this one is 0. We are going to drop 5x. X plus 1 into minus x squared minus 5, it is minus what? X. Multiplying with 1 minus x multiplied with 1 minus x, and minus x multiplied with x, x squared minus x squared. You subtract as well. So minus 5x minus x, here it is the minus 4x. You drop minus, okay, you can use calculator. Minus 5 minus coefficient of x here is 1. So minus x minus 1. So this minus and minus 1 will form positive. So it will be minus 5 plus 1. You are going to get minus 4, like this. So here the next number will be minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied by 1, it is minus 4, and minus 4 multiplied by x, it is minus 4x. You subtract, you're going to have what? Minus 7 minus 4, you're going to have minus 3. Since this minus and this minus will make positive, so it will be minus 7 plus 4, which is negative 3. That means our remainder is minus what? 3. So that is our answer.